Meanwhile, Senator Robin Padilla is calling for a Senate investigation into the alleged sexual harassment incident involving a media network artist and two independent contractors. Vanessa Cleopas tells us more.
After several issues regarding a recent sexual harassment incident involving a new artist and two independent contractors of GMA Network gained attention on social media, Senator Robin Hood Padilla, also the chair of the Committee on Public Information and Mass Media, is now pushing to discuss the matter in the Senate. According to the senator, related issues should be given attention to providing justice to the victims. In Senator Privilege's speech, he expressed his desire to bring the issue of the sexual harassment to the Senate. This is related to the recent issue that spread on social media involving a mass media network and an artist. Padilla stated that such incidents should not be overlooked, especially since there is a possibility that similar issues of sexual harassment might suddenly disappear or become sensationalized.
Nagagawa po nila itong patayin o patahimikin, lalo't kontrobersyal ang issue na lumalaganap at makakaapekto sa mass media network. Nasa kanilang kapangyarihan para gawing hindi makatotohanan ang paglalahad ng issue dahil nauuwi ito sa pag-sensationalize ng issue, hindi sa paghahanap ng katotohanan. Sinasadyang maligaw na ang tunay na issue at mapalitan ng kabakyaan. The truth.
The senator also emphasized that the controversial issue should not be ignored, which is why he called the GMA Network to clarify the scandal they are involved in.
Hindi magaan para sa isang mass media network ang masabit sa iskandalo, lalo't may kinalaman sa paglabag sa karapatan ng tao. Ang isyong kinakasungkutan ng ating hinahangaan at sinasaluduhan at ating pong mother studio, ang network ng GMA7, ay kinakailangan po nilang malinawan kung ano po itong iskandalo na kanilang kinabibilangan. Hindi maaaring mamatay ang issue na kanilang kinasasangkutan ng walang malinaw na pagpapaliwanag sa komite ng mass media. Dahil ito po ay obligasyon ng bawat mass media network bilang sila ang pinagkakatiwalaan ng marami nating kababayan. Hindi po natin sinasabi na may sabit dito ang GMA7. Hindi po. Ang sinasabi po natin dito, kailangan magkaroon ng malinaw na pagpapaliwanag sa komite ng mass media ang naganap na ito, sapagkat ito po ay public information.
Meanwhile, it can be recalled that the artist who allegedly experienced sexual harassment had already filed a formal complaint against the two independent contractor of GMA Network. The network has also announced that they are investigating the said issue. Currently, the management of GMA is coordinating with Padilla's committee and has stated that they are ready to send a representative once the Senate hearing begin. This is Vanessa Cleopas for EuroTV News.